To turn on the keyboard backlight on your Acer laptop, if your model supports this feature, first locate the keys with the illumination icon. On my Acer laptop, these keys are located in the number row of the keyboard. This key turns the keyboard backlight on. This key turns the keyboard backlight off. This key decreases the brightness, and this one increases the brightness. So, to turn on the keyboard illumination and adjust its brightness, press the function key and any of these keys together. If this doesn't work, press the Fn key and the escape key together. Then, the Acer Control Center window will open. In this window, click the second option, LED keyboard. Now, in the lower section, move this toggle to the right to turn on the keyboard backlight. You can also adjust the brightness from here. To make the keyboard lights off when the keyboard is not in use, enable this option. You can set the sleep timer here. Select Disable to keep the keyboard backlight on all the time. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching this video from iTechTips. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.